So yes, my sunflower is 10 foot tall and my companion tomatoes are 6 or 7 foot tall, 6 foot tall. And look at the size of them, they are being so silly. They are absolutely huge. And this one's just started going red. It's just like, oh come on. You don't need to be that big. You really don't need to be that big. They are huge. Look at, there you go, look at my hand. They are silly, they are so silly. They're trying to compete with the sunflower, so hey ho. Whereas this one, this little one isn't even 4 foot tall, and it's beautiful, and it's growing well. And for those who have asked, there she is. That's my little lemon tree, and these are weeds, so those can come out. But yeah, lemon tree is doing well. It's going for its what have we got, 2, 4, 6, it's going for its 8th. Let's get that bit there as well. It's going for its 8th leaves now. Get some of the moisture out of that. Yep, lemon tree's doing well. Sunflower stupid. Tomato stupid. Of course, I didn't bring a coat because I thought, well, I'll escape it. There won't be any rain when I get there. There won't be any rain. It won't get me. I'll be fine. And I get here and I drive up the car park, and as I'm just driving off the main road, the heavens opened. Great. And thunder. And it's slowing down. Never say that the rain is slowing down, because the second you say it's slowing down, the rain speeds up again. So guess what? Oh, okay. I'm gonna get soaked. I'm gonna get soaked. What am I gonna do? Oh. More thunder. Great. I am going to get soaked. Right, got to clear the bench off for students tonight, but I just want to show you that got a bit of an edge on that one. Can you see it? I want you to see it at its best. There you go. That's the edge. That's the edge. Look at that. Anyhow, tiny edge, fraction of an inch. I mean, I'm looking at that, and that's not 1/2 mil wide. That's less than 1/2 mil wide. Right. Tidy up, and I've got to do a little bit of that to help out and get on with that. Right, guys are here, that's done, benches are tidy, get on with a normal Wednesday night, and that tomorrow. Right, there you go. Evening class done. It's 7:20 and I'm going home. Mark's done really well tonight. Got on with what he was doing. Some bit of planing, a bit of sawing, done a few bits. Matt, the new guy. Hi, Matt. Sharpening still. Week 3 and he's still on sharpening. Wonder why. Veritas planes. I've got a bit to say about Veritas planes now. So, not just yet. Get some other stuff done, and then we'll get on to those. But thanks for watching.